Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Mr. Kakate. I want to walk through those of you who missed it, or maybe it was a little too fast, the way that you go about signing in to IXL and then taking the IXL Diagnostic. So first, you need to put your username and password. If you're not sure where to find this, it should be in your email. It would have been sent like Saturday afternoon on September the 12th. However, if you are not a student by that point, then you need to have it sent to you individually. So ask one of your teachers, Ms. Walter, Mr. Kakute, or Ms. Moore. Any three of us, and probably some others, may have access to it to give you your username and password. But once you have that put in here, you want to click sign in. And then from here, it's just actually a few simple steps. So we're taking the math diagnostic. So you want to find the diagnostic up here at the top. Okay, 3 different words right here, learning diagnostic analytics. We're going to click diagnostic. From here, just going to click step into the arena. So nothing too challenging, just step into the arena. And at this point, you're going to start getting a lot of choices. So first thing you need to do is make sure you come over here where it's got these 2 circles, circle arrow looking things. You don't want that. You want just the pyramid. Okay, so just pyramid, math. So see, now it's just a pyramid right there. So it's going to give you choices throughout this diagnostic of which question do you want to answer. So if I'm looking at this, I'm like, pick all the pentagons, pick all the quadrilaterals. I'll do quadrilaterals. Okay, and I'm just picking all of them and hitting submit. Okay, then these little bouncy balls will show up. Now it's saying shade in a rectangle with an area of 20 square units. What if I'm like, oh, I don't know how to do that? Okay, well, that's fine. I'm going to go down here where it says, I don't know this yet. So I'm going to go here where it says, I don't know this yet. I'm going to click that. They're going to say, okay, we'll make sure to work on that later. And they're going to give you a new question. Okay. And here it is. Subtract 9 over 11 minus 1 over 5. Let me just put in a wrong answer. Okay, it says not quite. We'll work on that later. Get the bouncing balls again. It's going to give me another question. So it's going to keep giving me different questions. Okay, whether I get them right or wrong, it's going to just take that information and it's going to kind of zoom in on like the level that I know as far as the math content on IXL. There's no like right or wrong answer. Everybody's at their own place and there's no problem with where you're at. So just be aware that it's best you be honest. Don't have your friend take this for you. Don't have your sister, your cousin, your dad, your mom, grandma, auntie, uncle, nobody, right? You got to take it. And also, don't do it forever. It's never going to end, really. You could do on this for 3 hours. We don't want you to be on it for 3 hours, so we want you to set a timer for 30 minutes and then work on it for 30 minutes. We can see how long you spent on it, so make sure you spend 30 minutes or around there. And then once you've done that, you can just log out or close the window. Doesn't matter. Okay? And that is it. Thank you very much.